going on, guys? Just got a bike check here today, and yeah, started top. Got the Colt Vans grips. Really like them, comfortable. You can stretch them. Got Odyssey power ends. Really durable. Bars, I got stock BF1 Fit BF1 bars. Fit Lyco logo right here. Sunday Freeze top load stem. Really like it. I had it for a while. Sunday interrogated headset. Spins pretty good. It's alright, I guess. I don't know bar spins. BSD Ghetto Forks version 3. Really liking them. They're beefy. Front pegs, Odyssey steel peg. Front wheels, Wienhams EC30 unsealed bearings. Stock wheels, really bad. Tires, Colt D-Hard tire, 2.20. Front and back, really like them. Overall feel and look, they're nice. Frame, got a chrome Federal Lacey frame, Stan Lacey signature frame. Integrated headset, mid bottom bracket, integrated C-clamp. Removable brake mounts. Really like the frame. Today's my first day riding it, and overall I just like the feel of it. It's nice. Got Sunday Saker cranks in black. 8-spline, 3-piece, okay. Premium North Star sprocket, had that for a while, hold up nice. Chain, the Colt 410 chain, it's okay. Pedals, I got Odyssey twisted PCs, they're nice, plastic, obviously. Seat, got a bone death vibrator seat, yes, it's called that. Obviously, there's two sizes, there's slim and mid. This is mid, really comfortable. Like it. King Super Stomp pedal C-post, integrated C-clamp, same tire in the back. Back wheels, the Odyssey Quadrant rim laced to a demolition rub hub with black Safum spokes. Got a hub guard, demolition hub guard, and I got another stolen thermalite peg. So here's the hub sound. I really like the hub. It's loud and holds up to my riding standards, so I like it. It looks sweet and trans red. So yeah, that's it. See you guys next video.